Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are toning my hair for the first time ever. I'm new to the blonde world. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get right into the video. So I just went to Sally's and I bought some Wella T18 toner. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but I'll insert a picture. So some Wilde T18 toner and their cream developer. And we're just gonna read the instructions and put on my hair. So if you know, well, if you don't know, I dyed my hair blonde maybe like 6 months ago. And I've never toned it. I just keep using purple shampoo, and I use the purple shampoo. I'll insert a pic by Natural Mothers. I love them. It's really hard to find a purple shampoo that does not have sulfate, silicone, parabens. So I do enjoy the Natural Mothers one, and there's one I really want to try by the Night brand. Oh, I can't think of it right now, but that one's also safe too if you're looking for one. So yeah, I was kept using the purple shampoo, and I just tried their purple conditioner, but I feel like the purple conditioner made it worse, and my hair is like super, like my hair is so brassy. So without, I need to stop doing all this talking. I know you guys hate me. So we're just gonna get started. I don't know if I'm supposed to use this whole thing. Ooh, what the? Whew. Yeah, that don't smell good. So because it says to use half, no, okay, because I used half of this because I'm not sure if I'm supposed to use the whole thing, it says to use 2 parts of this for every 1 part of this, of the actual toner itself, and this is the developer. So I'm gonna put 1.4 ounces roughly into my bowl here, because I used about 0.7 of this. Do the math, hopefully it's right. I'm not a math queen. Don't do what I'm doing. Do not do what I'm doing. Now, there's only like one girl with curly hair that I saw who did a video like this. And she said, I'll tag her video down below, but she said to mix it, and oh my gosh, this smell is horrific. You'll know that it's ready because it'll be real jelly like. So this is what I'm working with right now. Y'all, this stank. Just show you guys. This is what this looks like. Really just gonna take this much. Should probably do gloves, right? But it's okay. Y'all, if you have seen me when I dyed my hair pink, I did not use any sort of gloves. I want to make sure like there's some pieces right there. Y'all, I started out with a comb and now I'm using my fingers. Oh gosh, I'm doing it. Oh, I did not plan on doing this today. I just really want to make sure it's in there. The girl's hair turned purple. Maybe it'll turn purple after? I don't know. Oh, I didn't really want to do it up there. Is that gonna change my hair color? Can you really tone black hair? I'm literally just gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna pray that this turns out good. I'm just working it in there. I don't have much hair, number one. And half of it is black. So, and it's so funny because a lot of people keep saying like, oh, I love your highlights, I love your blonde tips. Maybe this whole head was blonde and it just literally grew out. And I do have a video on how I keep my hair so healthy with it being colored, so I'll put that in the queue. Or not the queue. What is that? Tags, the little thing up there? You know what I'm talking about. Alright, so my hair is completely in the toner. I have just like a little bit left that I'm just gonna run through. I'm glad I didn't use the whole thing because there's no need. But I'm just gonna take it like this. Work it in the ends. I tried not to touch the black too much because I don't know. I don't know what it's capable of. If y'all hear my dad talking, I don't know why he has to yell. I'll do the twist at 15 minutes and then hop in the shower. Might do a little deep conditioning moment. Just like a quick one. I'm gonna set a timer for 15 minutes, but yeah, it's not that it doesn't smell good. It's just, well, it don't smell good. It's not like roses and flowers, and it's not supposed to. But who that junk is strong. You might want to have like a spacious area or something. But I made a mess, you know I did. 15 minutes, see you later. This is the final product. I styled my hair and yeah, in the shower. Oh my gosh, I don't have him with me. I don't have it with me right now, but I will insert a picture of the shampoo I used. I used Unique Beauty. I really like her peppermint one, her shampoo. I wanted to make sure that the toner was out, so I wanted to do something nice and strong. So I used that, and then I followed up with her deep conditioner, which I absolutely love. I think it's like aloe and mint. Yeah, I love that deep conditioner. And yeah, this is how it looks. I need something really healing, hydrating, and so that's what I picked, a black owned brand, and we love to see it, period. She's coming out with some new products I'm excited for, but that's besides the point. But yeah, I don't love it, I don't hate it. Actually, I think I really like it. It's like a slight, it's a subtle, so I like it. At first I was like, but then when it dried, I was like, oh, okay, we can do this, we can do this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will link everything below, and I'll see you guys next time. Keep deep conditioning. Toodles.